Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
First of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir who has given me such golden opportunity to stand here and speak in front of you. It is a big opportunity for me. And first, I want to give my resume. My name is Subi. I am a student of 11th standard, and my father name was Mr. Abdul Rahman, and my mother name is Mrs. Chan Banu. I want to say about something study. If you don't mind, can I say about it? Okay. You know what is study and what does matter study in our life. Study is that point where we learn a lot and we can make anything if we are educated, and we get many things by studying. And if no one understand about things, then we learn a lot by books. And a long time ago, no one know about things a lot, but now we have a lot of books. And because nowadays study level is high in everywhere, that's why. And we learn a lot by study. And if you want to study, if you want to give your best in a study level, then you want to need confidence. If you have a confidence, then you can get anything. And if you want to be a successful person, for that you also need only confidence. Confidence is that thing that makes ourselves just a good human being. And if we have no confidence for things, at that time we have a lot of misconception. What we do at that time, we thought that it is right or wrong, and these things made us rebellion. Then you can do something big. Do something big in this position. Your confidence is the best accessory for you. So don't give up your attitude. Just muster up your confidence and go ahead in everywhere. That's all. Now I want to start my topic. Today's topic: government and private job. You know what is government and private job, and what does matter in our life. If we have a lot of education and we can choose a government job, it is better for everyone, because nowadays everyone study for only government job. They don't care study what role play in our life, but they want to study only for government job. But you know what government job is that. And on the other hand, private job also same, just as government job. Both are consisting same things, not at all what are waiting. When anyone join government job, at that time they need a lot of education facilities and a lot of money. If you are educated, then you have no money. At that time you can't join any government job, because for government job you need both money and graduated. Some family members are not so rich. They are not mustered up their amount. It means they are so educated and they get a high education, but they have no amount for government job. If you choose any government job, at that time you work hard as well as study. If you are educated, then you have no money, and at that time your education is waste. It is right, we can choose anything. And on the other hand, private job also consists of many things. It means many facilities. Just as there are many people who are not rich and who belongs a middle class family. They can't afford a lot of amount for government job. And in what we need. And if you join private job in this, you work a lot and you toil very hard, but your amount is too low, and you can't afford your families many things. It means like they want to purchase anything and they don't want because they have no money. That's why. And private and government job. Government job are very good, and both are same. But in this case, two things are different. And if we join any government job at a time, they needs right time. If you don't go office on right time at a time, in both jobs we have faced many issues. And government job is government job is gap. This is gives us many things, like they can change our life. If you are graduated and you can join the government job, everyone's thought that you are so rich and many things. That's all.
All of you, good evening. So first of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden opportunity to stand here. So now I telling about myself. So my name is Sanu West and my father name is Mr. Pankaj Singh West and my mother name is Mrs. Dinesh West. She is a housewife and my father is a truck owner. So that's all about me. So now I telling about government job and private job. So I think that both are best for everyone, but mostly people think that government job is best because in government job there's no pressure for our senior. So in private job there are more pressure to do work, and in private job if you do anything and that thing is spoiled for you, then our senior scolded a lot, and our senior more pressure on you, and that's why mostly people are think that government job is best, and in government job there's a limit to do work anything, and in private job there's a no limit for do anything. So that's why people think that government is job best. So if you have to send, then first send have a government job, and second one have a private job. Then people first people have mostly people think they have a government job, so people give a more value and respect than private job people. So that's all.
Good evening. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected teacher who has given me this opportunity to stand here. So now I tell you about government job and private job. You know that in government job we have a lot of respect, and all say he has a government job, and our parents proud of us that my son and my daughter get government job. Many years ago, government job, we get government job so easy. But no one get government job because all have a lot of money and fields, so they don't focus on study, and they don't want to get government job. But nowadays all people want to get government job because nowadays it's difficult to get government job. So everyone have to do private job. That's all.
Sir, first I thank my respected teacher who was giving me a golden opportunity to stand here. My topic is education. I think education is that which learns us a lot of just life, how we can live our life and think about everything, how is better and how is best. Now, this time, every people is graduate, every people wants to get a government job, but it's not easy because I think the population of India is very high, and I think it's the biggest problem. This time, youth is in tension because they work hard and they don't get a government job, and we have to get a private job because they are helpless. They try to get a government job, but I think it's not possible because to get every person a government job is not possible. I think both jobs are good, but many people want to get a government job because I think in government job there's are a lot of facility because to be a government servant the man don't work hard, I think, and a lot of money is in government job. In private job, man work hard in his whole life, and still he can't afford many things to his family because there's no a lot of money in private jobs. Not every fields work. I think what is good.
Good evening, all of you. First of all, thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden opportunity opportunity to stand here. So first I introduce myself and then I start today's topic. I am Rudra. I read in 8th standard. My school name is Oxford School. My father name was Mr. Vimal Kumar. He was a businessman, and my mother name is Mrs. Rashmi Tiwari. She is a housewife. So to start the today's topic, I want to say some words to education. Education is the most important thing in our life. It rolls a Education is the most important thing in our life. And if we are not educated, we can't do anything. And if we are not educated, we can be a labor or a farmer. So start today's topic. Today's topic is education. Government job and private job. So first I speak about the government job. Every people want a government job because there are too much salary in a government job and no pressure to do any work, and no one that he got a private job because there are a lot of work and its salary is not too much high, and there are very high there are ve- there are a lot of pressure in it. Such as the example, if you have to do a spoiled work, then your senior will be angry you and angry you angry you and maybe he will be uh, he will be resign you. So I think that's all.